Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so madalian lang na rin dahil hindi maganda talaga ang aking pakaramdam ngayon. Oo, ating pipilitin lamang na mag-reading, no? Dami kasing nag-aabang. Oo, so, yeah, mga nagme-message pa. Madam, nasan ka na? Oo, kailangan namin ng message mo. Anyway, kapag Sunday, wala po talaga ako, ha? Okay, and if ever, pagdating naman sa mga transactions, talagang wala pong transaction pag Sunday. Oo, kapag hindi nakikita yung message ninyo, hindi ibig sabihin ay ni-ignore na kayo, ha? Oo, wala po tayong transaction every Sunday. Okay? So, magre-resume na lang ulit ng Monday. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start with air signs. O, diba? Wala na akong spill. Oo. So, let's start with you, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay, ano ang message na kailangan mong malaman? Okay, energy check-ins and prediction for you, air signs. Okay, so the 9 of Cups. Okay. And the Hanged Man, you're waiting. Yeah, I think there's a water sign here na pwedeng naghihintay sa'yo. Okay, yeah. So, iba sa inyo I don't know kung... Yeah, this is like unexpected blessing coming in. Some of you, this is pregnancy. Okay, if you're trying to conceive, may ganyan. Some of you, nakakita ko na pwedeng yung hindi nyo inaakala, yes, pwedeng magbunga, ha? Okay, so be careful, mga fertile myrtle, yung mga may kakayanan magbuntis pero hindi pa kayang maging responsable, ha? Okay, may energy rito ng ganun, okay po? So, yeah. Some of you, you're praying na magkaroon ng magandang, sabihin natin parang panganganak, yung ayos na panganganak, parang ganyan. Yes, you will. Okay. So, unexpected pregnancy rin ang nakukuha ko rito. Excuse me. And yes, there's something like a water sign. Someone, a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, who is thinking of you. Okay, I think nandoon yung parang gusto ka ng taong to, parang ganun. Okay. So, yeah. The 3 of Cups and the 6 of Pentacles in reversed. Some of you, meron ako nakukuhang recognition dito. Okay, ano tong 6 of Pentacles in reversed? May mga mananabutahe, ha? Okay, so tingnan ko ano tong 6 of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, the Lovers in reverse. Yung mga taong sa tingin ko ayaw ng success pagdating sa'yo. Okay? So, there is success here. The 9 of Cups, the 3 of Cups. This is something like a nice energy na kapag nakuha mo, yung talaga namang magagalak at magagalak ka. Okay? So, this is happiness. This is wish fulfillment. Parang ganon. Okay? The 5 of Wands. Meron ditong gusto makipag-reconcile. Yeah, Gemini. Or pwedeng ikaw, Gemini, ayaw mo. You're not, parang available na for reconciliation. Pero I think this is like, pagkikita. Okay, the 3 of Cups. Yes. Pero, wala naman. Like, this is like energy lang ng meetings or meetups. Parang ganyan. Okay, the 5 of, Wands and the 3 of Swords in reversed. Communication with the past person, some of you. Okay, meron makikipag-ayos, I don't know if this is talking about a problem na pwedeng ma-resolve in the near future. So, may chance, sana ganun nga, no? Okay? Yeah. The Emperor. So, I think, meron ding 3 of Pentacles. I think some of you, pagdating sa work environment or sa workplace, sa boss mo, anything regarding your career, your job, no, parang meron dito mafi-fix na kung ano man gulo, parang ganyan, or away, or whatsoever, na conflict na meron. Okay? So, nandito yung someone will step up, someone will make the parang mga action, no, na kailangan talaga, no? So yeah, may mga maaayos dito. I don't know if this is regarding management, okay? Parang ganon. Some of you, meron ditong like ipapatawag sa meeting para mapag-usapan yung issue. Okay? So, there. So, yun ang akin nakuha for you, air signs. Okay? So, maybe next time, makapag-read tayo ng mahaba-haba. No? Okay. So, next is fire signs. Okay. Fire signs, Ars Leo, Sag. Pasensya na po ha, hindi talaga maganda ang pakiramdam ko. Kailangan ko lang talagang i-read, oo. Yung mga nag-aabang, kasi may mga nag-aabang talaga. I'm so sorry, oo. Kasi medyo maikli lamang ang ating reading. Okay. Maikli na nga no, mas maikli pa ngayon, no. Okay, so tingnan natin, ano bang meron for fire signs? Okay, strength. And the Seven of Swords in reverse. There's this secret na pwedeng ma-reveal in no time. Like, I don't know kung paano mangyayari to. Alam nyo, meron dito ako nakuhang may nagtatago and then biglang i-reveal. May mari-reveal or pwedeng lalabas na lang. Parang ganon. Okay. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortunes. Wheel of Fortune. Someone will get caught. Someone will get caught. Fire signs. Okay, I think this is karma. Yeah. Alam niyo yung kahit itago, lalabas at lalabas yung baho. Parang ganun. Okay, I think this is regarding family matter or family issue whatsoever. Yeah. Okay, so I think sa universe na ang gagawa ng paraan para ma-end ito. So, kailangan muna itong mangyari para malaman ko ano mang meron. Parang ganun. Excuse me. So, what else? So, meron ditong nakakuha ko ng energy na may nang babackstab. Yeah. Days of Swords in reversed. Okay. So, that is secrets. Okay. For me. Unclear. Yeah, what's that? Yeah, the Hangman in reversed. Alam niyo yung ano, delusion. Oo, delusion. Mga agam-aga, mga ganyan. Iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na pwedeng maialis nyo na yon or masusolusyonan nyo na. Okay? The Hangman in reversed. Yeah, the Moon. Ito yung parang makikita mo kung anong talaga yung dapat. Mayroon kasing mga tao sa paligid mo na pwedeng gumagawa ng issue. Kaya mas lalong nakakasira sila. Okay? Some of you, if you follow your own decision, doon ka makakaalis eh. Okay? Ang nakikita ko lang dito, they're dragging you down. Like, hinihila ka ng mga to sa isang negatibong pananaw eh. Parang ganyan, okay? So, kailangan mong makalis dun. Sa pamamagitan din ng tulong mo sa sarili mo, no? Okay? Yeah, by trusting sa sarili mo. Parang ganun. Okay? Ang dami ditong nakatago, fire sign, na talagang marireveal at marireveal or may mga malalaman yung iba sa inyo. Okay? A secret will be revealed. Oo. Mga fire signs. We have here Aqua, Pisces. Ang lakas ng Pisces dito. Okay. So what else for fire signs? Oops. Okay. Gusto niya. Okay, the Four of Wands in reversed. Some of you, meron kayong mga actionan parang aalisan, tatanggapin, may mga babaguhin, may mga lilipat ng bahay, yan, specific. May mga lilipat ng trabaho. Okay? Like, meron din ditong end of contract. Yeah. Yeah, the Three of Swords. There's this separation na pwedeng mangyari with a fire sign and an air sign. Okay? So, ang nakikita rito, wag nyong pipigilan, no? Kung ano man yung mangyayari ditong ending. Okay, meron kasi ako nakikita rito, baka yung parang, ayoko, parang ganun. Sana wag muna natin tong gawin. Sana wag natin tong gawin. Sana wag humantong sa ganito, hiwalayan kung ano man. Okay? Kung ano man yung dumating, just accept it. I think this is relationship coming in. Okay? A relationship issue na pwedeng mangyari nga. Okay? So, yeah, the High Priestess, follow your intuition, sumunod ka sa flow ng kung anong binibigay sa'yo ni Universe. Okay? Kasi I think, meron ka mga sitwasyon na hindi nakikita, na si Universe lang ang nakakita. So, siya na yung gagawa ng way, no? Para may alis ka sa mga sitwasyong hindi maganda. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Cups in reverse. And the Emperor. I think sinasagip ka na lang din ni Universe, so don't act immature. Okay? Avoid being immature. Okay? Alam nyo na kung ano ibig sabihin. Some of you, alam nyo na yung sitwasyon nyo na hindi maganda, pero you're still forcing someone, you will, in the near future, na ayusin kung ano yung meron sa inyo. Kapag merong nagsabi, okay, this is it, pansit, ending na to, maghiwalay na tayo, bigay mo. Okay? Hindi mo kasi nakikita yung sitwasyon, yung ibang sitwasyon na nakatago. Okay? So, eventually, tsaka mo lang malalaman ay kaya pala. Okay? At sasabihin mo rin, mabuti na lang at nangyari yun. Okay? So, there. Yeah. Yun ang akin nakikita for you. Excuse my voice. Okay, next is water signs. Hang on. Inom lang tayo ng kauntian, ha? Sandali lamang. Okay. So, water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Anong meron? Anong message ang kailangan mong malaman? Tingnan natin. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. The Lovers in reversed. So, I think this is pag-alis sa isang partnership. This is separation for some of you. Okay. The Queen of Swords in reverse. May isang situation dito na pwedeng hahantong sa hiwalayan. Okay, may magagalit dito, yes. Death. May ending ako nakikita. Anong meron? Why the Queen of Swords in reverse? May magagalit. Yeah. Tingnan natin ano tong Queen of Swords in reverse. The Two of Swords. So, I think, kapag may nangyaring ganyan nga, makakapag-decision ka no? Nang sabihin natin, okay, ayoko na. Parang ganon. Hindi sinasabi rito na, yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Mas pipiliin mo lang maging single. Okay, I don't know kung bakit. Darating lang sa punto na magagalit ka, or may magagalit, and then doon na magdedesisyon, okay, stop na. Ayoko na. Parang ganon. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Wands in reverse. Maybe this is like an on and off relationship or connection na meron kayo. Okay, on and off or sex base. Okay? With a Gemini, Libra, and yeah, air sign. So what else for water signs? Yeah, okay, the Nine of Pentacles. This is responsibilities, duties. Okay. Commitments. What's with the Nine of Pentacles in reverse? The Moon. Okay. What's this? Okay, may Knight of Wands dito. Someone, meron dito nagkakagusto sa'yo. Excuse me. Pero, tinatago lang nila. I don't know why. Maybe kaya nila tinatago because parang nai-intimidate sila, or yun nga, pwedeng natatakot, okay, na ma-reject if ever. Why the moon? Bakit nila tinatago yan? Yeah, the devil. Kung ano man yung mga iniisip nila, okay, like pinapangunahan nila yung sarili nila, like they're sabotaging, no, yung mga sarili nilang kagustuhan or plano pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah, they like you. This person likes you. Alam nyo, sa ginagawa nilang pagpigil sa sarili nila na mag-approach sa'yo, sila yung parang lalong namamalmaan. Oo. Mas lalo kang ginugusto. Okay? So, what else for water signs? Okay, pwedeng pwedeng earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Pisces. So, what else for water signs? Pasensya na po ha sa aking boses dahil I'm sick. Yes. Tingnan natin ano pa. Okay, the star in reversed. What's this? Temperance in reversed. Being impatient. Pwedeng mag-cause ng breakdown or being hopeless. Okay, something na pwedeng hindi mo makuha-kuha. Darating ka sa puntong maiinis, magagalit ka. Impatient. Being impatient. Okay. The Knight of Pentacles though. Sabihin nating ito yung parang pinakamabagal talaga, no, na aksyon na pwedeng ibigay sa'yo ni universe sa kung ano man to. Magiging hopeless ka na magiging impatient ka na kung anong meron. Kaso ganito siya. I think, iwasan mo na lang, no? Maging matyaga ka na lang, maging mapasensyosa, oo, pasensyoso. Okay? Kesa naman mag-failed na lang dahil, ayoko na. Parang ganun, ayoko na maghintay, ayoko na gato, ganyan. Okay? Yung konting kembot na lang, yun na pala. Tapos, give up mo. Okay? Don't give up before the finish line or until the finish line. Okay, water signs. With the Aquarius and Sagittarius. Yeah, see? This is success coming. This is success coming. Okay? So, mas maganda maging pasensyosa ka. Okay? Just focus on your goals. Huwag kayong apekto sa kung ano man ang mga nangyayari. Nababagalan ka na. Parang wala na nangyayari. Go lang ng go. Grind lang ng grind. Parang ganyan. Okay? There's this someone na parang excuse me, hopeless pagdating sa attention mo. Okay? Parang wala na atang pag-asa na ako ay pansinin ni water sign. Parang ganon. Pwedeng, yun nga, Aquarius or Sag. If they like you, they want your attention. Okay? Feeling nila, hindi mo sila gusto. And you're focusing on someone else or something else. Okay? So, ganon yung nakikita ko pagdating sa kanya, kung sino man siya. Okay, so next is okay, earth signs. Yan. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, yes. So, pasensya na sa boses ko, ha. Dahil hindi pala medyo, oo. May sakit kasi ako, oo. I'm sick. I have cough. And, diba? And, colds, oo. Nausuhan pa. Oo, tingnan natin ha, ano bang meron for your earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong meron? Okay, the 5 of Pentacles. The Emperor in reverse. Manage your kaperahan po wisely, ha? Okay? Itong 5 of Pentacles. 5 of Pentacles. The 9 of Wands. alam nyo, avoid being emotional, ha? Okay? Kasi doon tayo parang nagiging soft nga, lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan. Someone is in need, parang ganyan, hoy, earth sign, baka naman, ganto, ganyan, gagamitin la emosyon mo, parang ganon, maawa ka, bibigyan mo. I don't know, hindi ko naman sinabing masama yun, masamang tumulong, pero, tingnan nyo rin, i-manage nyo rin, okay? Hang on. Inom lang ako, sandali lang. Okay. So, earth signs. May nahihiya dito. May nahihiya na lumapit, na humingi ng tulong. Meron din ditong may re-reject. Yeah. Pero kung ano na ang sasabihin. Four of Swords. What's that? The Queen of Wands. Someone's intimidated. Feeling intimidated. Like, they want to talk. Pero feeling nila, hindi mo sila papansinin na fire sign, an air sign. Yeah. Parang feeling nila anytime you will reject them. Anytime you can reject them. Parang ganyan. Every time. Oo. Yung parang iisipin pa lang nila, ayoko na. Parang ganun. Baka hindi na ako pansinin. Okay? May natatakot makipag-usap sa'yo. Ano tong Queen of Wands in reverse? They're not confident. Yeah, so siguro, feeling intimidated. They see you someone na pwedeng, ang tawag dyan, attractive, independent, parang ganun. Okay? So, yeah, natatakot sila lumapit sa'yo. Ano bang gusto nila sabihin? Ano tong Four of Swords in reverse? They're into you. Yeah, they're into you. Like, gusto ka. Actually, gusto ka ng taong to. They just, like, holding back. Some of them, naiinis sila. Bakit sila lagi ka nalang iniisip? Ayaw nga nila. Like, natatakot sila. I-approach ka. Nag-iisip to ng tamang mga salita, oo, na parang para hindi sila ma-reject or what. Para hindi sila mapag-isipan ng kung ano or what. Being casual, parang ganon. Someone will talk to you. Like Capricorn, Virgo, a lot of earth sign din. Yeah, the Lovers. Some of you may chance ng partnership in the near future in general. I'm saying partnership. Okay? So, what's with that? Lovers. Yeah, the Page of Wands. Some of you may chance ng new connection with a younger fire sign or a Gemini in the near future or a Cancerian. Okay? The Page of Wands. This is new, I think. What's with this Page of Wands? The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, so I think itong taong to, gustong-gusto nito palagi na makuha yung attention mo. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko naman, iba sa inyo, hindi mo naman ibibigay lahat. So, that's good. Okay, hindi mo naman ibibigay lahat ng kailangan ng taong to. So, magiging balance lang. Okay? Just, yeah, someone younger. Some of them, may issue sila sa mother nila or sa father nila. Like that. Yeah. Hindi mo pa nakikita to, hindi mo pa nakakausap to, pero some of you, pwedeng nakikita mo na to, or nakita ka na niya, pero yun nga lang, sa ngayon, parang wala pa po ako nakikitang action coming from them, pero yeah, in the near future, nandun na yung action. Okay? Doon na mag-start yung action, yeah. They will take a risk, like a leap of faith, parang ganon. Okay? So there, yeah, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Pasensya na po ha sa aking boses dahil pinilit ko lang din na mag-reading kahit ganito. Okay, sana nakapagbigay tayo ng mga mensahe kahit kauntian lang. So again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.